Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your channel banner on your phone. So this is going to work with any device that's a mobile phone, so Samsung, iPhone, whatever you have, it's the same process throughout. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you don't have the YouTube app on your phone. It's a bit weird thing, I know, but for some reason you can't change your channel banner on YouTube on your phone, on the app. Don't know why, but it's not a thing. Well, so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and delete that, and once you've done that, go onto a web browser, whatever you have, Safari, Google Chrome, and then once you've typed that in, you're going to want to type in youtube.com, load that up, and then you're going to make sure you're logged in to your account. And when you're logged into your account, click the top right hand corner, and then you're going to come to this menu here, and then you're going to want to click your channel, or my channel, could appear as both. And then what you're going to want to do is click on the little top three buttons at the top right hand corner there, and then click desktop. So this is going to bring you to like the desktop app as if you're on your computer. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click add channel art on the top part there. And once you've clicked add channel art, you're going to want to be able to select a photo from your computer. It's going to say your computer is actually going to be your phone. For this, you're going to need to have a picture that's actually going to be the correct size. So for instance here, I'm going to click on something that's not a correct size. If that's the case, then this message will pop up here. It will upload all the way, and then it will say the photo that you uploaded is too small. It must be at least 2048 pixels wide and 1152 pixels too tall. So you're going to have those dimensions of picture. So make sure you have that already on your like Google Drive on your phone or whatever you have. And then what's going to happen when you actually have one that's big enough, you're going to have to upload it. It's going to upload for the same length of time, and it's actually going to come up with what it's going to look like when desktop, TV, and mobile. You're going to want to make it so you can see it on all of them. Whatever people view on their devices, they'll be able to see. And once you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and click select, and that's going to save it to your banner position, and then you can see it right there. You can see the banners right there, and you can re-download the YouTube app, and you will see it's going out perfectly fine there, even though you couldn't do it on the YouTube app, which is pretty stupid. Hopefully they change that. But anyway, leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos, and click on one of the playlists or videos on screen to see more videos like this. But that's it for now. See you in the next video.